Canada, a lot of people are actually self-employed. They run their own business, you know, because let's be honest, working for an employer is not always, the income is not always the best option.
Mm-hmm.
Now, a problem that these self-employed clients face is that they're often under the assumption that due to the fact that they're self-employed, they're automatically not able to be approved for a mortgage. Is this the case, or are there ways around helping these self-employed clients getting a mortgage?
So that's another myth, that if you're self-employed, you won't be approved for a mortgage. That's in fact incorrect. Nowadays, a lot more lenders are taking into consideration that people are becoming self-employed, and they have programs available that are tailored to those that don't necessarily work for an employer. So we have B lenders that are available, and they usually assist with getting you approved if you are self-employed. And we also have private lenders that are also available. So what I would recommend is that when you do speak to your mortgage broker, to let them know about your situation, and they will be able to find you the right lender. But there are lenders out there that will be able to approve you. You will also need to make sure that you do have 2 years of financial statements, and also tax return information. That would be very important when it comes to determining whether you will be approved.
That's great information, Sia.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that a lot of clients will be needing this help soon, because different lenders, depending on your other circumstances, may be actually able to help you, regardless if you're self-employed or not. Another misconception that I've been hearing a lot of, and I speak to clients and they're also under that misunderstanding, is that the only place that they're able to get a mortgage or a mortgage pre-approval is from the banks. So the major banks, you already have your accounts there. So I think it's just a convenience that some people just go there and get everything done at the same banking institution. But on the other end of the spectrum, there's people that are unaware that you can seek help outside of the bank, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's like where you're from. You're from Pineapple Mortgage.
Yes.
So definitely that's not true.
Correct. Yes, so you don't necessarily have to go to your local bank to get a mortgage. I know that this is one of the first things that comes to mind when you are looking for a mortgage, is to go to your bank. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you're getting the best option available to you. So we do have credit unions, private lenders, and then we also have monoline lenders, which is non-banking lenders that do offer mortgages as well. So I would definitely recommend exploring your options, because your high street bank may not necessarily be the best.
Okay, so it's okay to then speak to different lenders, explore your options before making that commitment.
Correct.
Perfect. Thank you, Sia.